If you are a tenant and need to access the tenant portal for your property, your landlord or agent should have sent you this link here. That goes to patma.co.uk/tenant. Alternatively, your landlord or agent might have a customized link that has their website and then goes to /tenant. Either way, one of these links is what you'll need to access the tenant portal. Once you've clicked the link, it will take you to the portal and ask you to enter your email address. Select submit. What you'll then get is a unique login code sent to your email. Once the email lands in your inbox, just open it up. It's given me my unique login code, so I can copy that and enter it into the portal and click submit. This now gives me access to the tenant portal. It has the address. I can view my tenancy here. So this tells me when my tenancy started, what my rent payment is, when my next payment is due, and if there's any rent outstanding. Additionally, there is a download section, so any documents that your landlord or agent has made available to you will be here for you to download should you need them. Here you can report a problem. So if I've got a broken tap, I can put the info in there, explain what has happened, and even input an image or attachment of the issue, and then click add. This will then notify your agent or landlord. And it will now be saved in the existing reports and messages section. So you can see I've put in that I've got a broken tap. Your landlord or agent can message you through here as well. So if you go to the Ask Your Landlord Agent a Question section, here you can just send them an email. And include any attachments as well. And this is also where you would find any messages from your landlord also as well. So that's it. That's the tenant portal, nice and straightforward. All your documents and information in the tenancy section. Report any problems in this section. And then keep updated on the reports in the reports and messages section. And then of course, email your landlord or agent here.